Suzanne with Mustang Disaster CleanUp. We're going to talk about cleaning glassware when we're at a fire. So typically what we're going to do is we're going to have some solution that we use for a fire, pre-made up. Glassware is something that we try to clean that we can have to salvage for a client, especially for things that have memory to it. So I get my solution. I'm going to make sure that I put my solution, a towel underneath of it because we don't want it to get on the floor. Then usually from a fire you're going to see a little bit of soot, which you see right here. If it stays on the glassware, it actually can etch it. So what we're going to try to do is clean it for the client so they have some things. So what I usually do is I will get a bucket of solution and I will put a couple things in here. We're going to let it soak for a little bit, then we'll try to scrub and get as much of the soot we can to see if it's going to be usable for the client. And then afterwards we're going to lay it down on the floor with some towels and then we're going to let it dry. Sometimes it comes like new, other times it might have a little bit of sketching on it or still a little bit of damage from it, but at least we've made the initial try to get it back to pre-existing of a fire.